Hi! We are going to Summerhill Garden Centre to get some Christmas decks for our first little place. Kyzer is clearly wearing his Christmas bandana, ready for the festive season. See you there!
Right. Got a pint glass. There could be a pint glass, isn't there? Maybe a 2 pint.
Yeah. What size?
Yeah, my jingle balls.
Successful trip, didn't we, Kyzer? We got a new tree topper and some new decorations that we will show you later. Kyzer, you got a new Christmas Brussels sprout. Good boy. We bought this new little light up ornament that was from QD, I think about £4. One of Kyzer's little ornaments from years ago, and we got this like light from the garden centre again. It's really sweet. I wished we got 2, but it's quite expensive. 2-star topper, which was from Summerhill Garden Centre for about £10, and yeah, it goes really well. We got a few of these candy canes. They look really sweet, and they're nice little extras to the tree. Little pop of colour, and yeah, you can't go wrong with a candy cane. They're not edible, they're just plastic. And you can't forget Kyzer's Bulbul that we got quite a few years ago, our German Shepherd doggy touch, including Kyzer's little stocking. God, this is absolutely years old. Found that at the bottom of the decorations, so I sorted things out. Yeah, it's coming together really well. Thank you for watching our first little kind of Christmas vlogmas thing in our first flat. Hopefully it's a little bit of a better ending than what the whole year has been. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.